Dear students, in our previous topic, we studied about characteristics of business and objectives of business. Now, we discuss about the very integral part of the business, that is business risk. Business risk is the term. Risk refers to the responsibility of inadequate profits or even losses due to uncertainties of the unexpected events. Its nature can be explained with the help of its peculiar characteristics, which are: business risk arise due to uncertainties. Risk is an essential part of every business. Degree of risk depends upon the nature and size of the business. Students, you all know that if a person started a new venture of business, that person is not familiar with the future risk and uncertainties, also with the challenges. We cannot predict whether our business will face profit or loss in the future. So, risk is an obvious event in the business. It can be said that profit is a reward against business risk. There are two types of business risk: natural risk and man made risk. First of all, we'll cover natural risk. Any kind of natural calamity is a part of natural risk. Whether earthquake, flood, cyclone can badly hamper the profit of the business. Second, man made risk. These risks can be in the form of a strike of employee, change in technology, change in taste and demand of customers. Change of government can badly affect the future profit of the business. Now we will discuss about the causes of business risk. First, change in technology. If a business unit wants to upgrade his technology, he has to buy new machinery to produce standard quality products so that business can exist in this fast growing competition. Second, threat of substitute products. The customer may turn to substitute products like preference of coffee in the place of tea, or we can say preference of motorbike at the place of bicycle. Third, degree of competition. Due to increasing competition, a businessman has to reduce his sale price and increase his advertisement cost, thus profit gets reduced. Fourth, legislation. Government frame many legislation regarding environmental pollution, regarding customers' right, wages act, factory act, etc. Sometimes these law can prove to be a business risk and can hamper the profit of the business. Fifth, uncertainty of demand. Demand of the product is very dynamic. It can change with the change of customer's income, taste and preferences of the customer, price of the product, inflation. These events affect the profit of the business. Sixth, physical risk. Damage of assets can create physical risk. Non-functioning of machinery and equipment, damage while transportation of goods can create physical risk. Now, students will take next type of economic activity, that is profession. First of all, we'll study the meaning of profession. A person with specialized skill, knowledge, training and professional education provides services to the clients and in return receive fees called profession. It also refers the activity which requires special knowledge and skills to be applied by an individual in his work to earn a living. For example, doctor, lawyer, hairdresser or nurse. A professional has to obtain membership of the respective professional association. For example, a lawyer has to have professional qualification of lawyer and has to become a member of Bar Council of India. Other examples of professions are doctors, CA, solicitor, etc. are professionals. Professional skills can also be used for employment. For example, when a doctor gives his services in hospital in return of salary, it is called employment. Now we'll study about characteristic of a profession. A professional has to obtain specialized knowledge, skill and professional education. Second, he charges fees for rendering his services. Fees can be varied as per his skills and experience. Third, the primary objective of professional is to render services. Fourth, it is an independent activity. The decision making is in hand of the professional. Fifth, the professional activity has no relation with production, but it satisfies personal business needs. For example, a lawyer presents a case in the court on behalf of the client and in turn charges fees. Sixth, a professional has to obey the code of conduct decided by the respective professional association. Seventh, monetary return remains uncertain in profession. Thank you.